Hey everyone, welcome back to Shedever Designs. I'm Edward, and I've been drafting and designing houses for over 10 years. With my background in architectural technology and computer science, I've mastered a ton of 3D software to bring the best designs to life. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, advanced framing and the double wall method. If you're a framer or builder, this is something you need to adopt right now. It's beyond awesome, and it'll change the way you approach construction forever. Coming up, why smart framing is the future of construction. At the Build show, Matt Reisinger and architect Steve Baksek explore the concept of smart framing, which some may still call advanced framing. But Baksek prefers to avoid the term advanced, emphasizing that this technique is about building smarter, not harder. So, what exactly is smart framing, and why is it a much better option than traditional framing methods? Let's dive into the details. Smart framing involves building two walls with a gap between them to improve insulation, soundproofing, and overall energy efficiency. This technique is increasingly important as the construction industry shifts toward more sustainable and efficient building practices. It might sound like a small change, but it offers some significant advantages over the conventional single-wall framing. 1. Energy efficiency and insulation benefits. One of the biggest advantages of smart framing is the enhanced insulation it provides. By creating a gap between the two walls, builders can install more insulation than they would with a standard 2x4 frame. This makes the home better insulated, which translates to lower energy costs. Increased insulation capacity. Traditional framing uses 2x4 studs that limit the amount of insulation you can install. In contrast with smart framing, you can use 2x6 studs or even wider, allowing for more space for insulation. This leads to a higher R value, which means better thermal resistance and improved energy efficiency. Better temperature control. The increased insulation helps maintain a stable indoor temperature. During winter, homes stay warmer, and in the summer, they remain cooler. This means less reliance on heating and cooling systems, reducing energy consumption. Disadvantage. The initial construction cost of smart framing may be slightly higher due to the use of more material, extra studs, and insulation. However, the long-term savings in energy bills make this a worthwhile investment. 2. Soundproofing and acoustic benefits. Another major benefit of smart framing is soundproofing. The gap between the two walls helps to reduce sound transmission, making the home quieter and more comfortable. Sound barrier. The additional gap in the wall creates a physical barrier that prevents sound from easily passing through. This is especially valuable in areas where noise reduction is important, such as between bedrooms, home offices, and living areas. Better privacy. For homes located near busy streets, airports, or other noisy areas, smart framing can greatly improve privacy and comfort by preventing noise from disturbing the indoor environment. Disadvantage. Adding the gap for soundproofing requires a bit more space, which could make the room slightly smaller compared to traditional framing methods. However, this is often a small price to pay for the comfort and peace of mind that comes with reduced noise. 3. Improved air, sealing, and durability. Smart framing also contributes to better air sealing, which is essential for both comfort and energy efficiency. Air tightness. When you use smart framing, you can more effectively seal the space between the walls. This means there are fewer air leaks, leading to better overall air quality and reduced drafts in the home. This is important for maintaining consistent temperatures and ensuring that the HVAC system works efficiently. Longer-lasting construction. The extra space between the walls also helps prevent moisture buildup, which can cause long-term damage to the structure. Proper air circulation helps keep the building dry and mold-free, increasing the durability of the home over time. Disadvantage. More detailed air sealing may require extra time and labor during construction. However, this is a minimal inconvenience compared to the long-term durability and cost savings that come with improved air sealing. Environmental impact and sustainability. As the construction industry moves toward sustainability, smart framing stands out for its environmental benefits. Better use of materials. Since smart framing encourages the use of larger studs and better insulation, it minimizes waste by optimizing the space and material usage. With the increase in energy efficiency, homes built with smart framing have a smaller carbon footprint over their lifetimes. Sustainable design. By using materials that are more energy efficient. These homes also help reduce the need for fossil fuels used in heating and cooling. This is a major step forward in supporting green building practices. Disadvantage? Initially, there may be a higher demand for certain materials like 2x6 studs or specialized insulation. While this increases the upfront cost, the long-term energy savings and environmental benefits make this a worthwhile investment for the future. Simplicity and flexibility in design. While it may seem like smart framing is more complicated, it actually provides greater flexibility in design. Easier customization. The wider wall cavity allows for better flexibility when running wires, pipes, and HVAC systems. You have more space to work with, reducing the need for complicated alterations during construction. Future-proofing. Smart framing allows for easier updates to a home, whether it's adding additional systems or accommodating new technologies. With better space between the walls, it's easier to adapt the home to future needs. Disadvantage: more space in the walls may result in a slightly larger footprint of the home, which could be a disadvantage in urban areas with limited space. However, the additional living space in the home itself often offsets this. Cost and return on investment, ROI. The upfront cost of smart framing can be higher than traditional framing, but the long-term benefits easily justify the expense. Long-term savings. Homes built with smart framing see lower energy bills and require less maintenance over time. This results in a higher return on investment, ROI, making the technique cost-effective in the long run. Value of energy. Efficiency. As energy efficiency becomes an increasingly important factor for home buyers, homes with better insulation and soundproofing are more desirable and can even command higher prices on the market. Disadvantage: the higher initial cost may be a challenge for homeowners on a tight budget, but with the benefits outlined above, smart framing offers a strong ROI over time. Conclusion: why framing needs to change. After looking at the benefits and drawbacks of smart framing, it's clear that this technique offers numerous advantages over traditional framing methods. Whether you're concerned with energy efficiency, soundproofing, air sealing, or environmental impact, smart framing is the better choice for the modern home. As Matt Risinger and Steve Baksek have shown, it's not just about making buildings stronger or more beautiful. It's about making them smarter. If you're a framer or builder looking to stay ahead of the curve, adopting smart framing is the key to building better, more sustainable homes for the future. In conclusion, advanced wall framing, or smart framing, offers far more benefits than drawbacks, making it a technique we should all push for in the construction industry. With its energy efficiency, soundproofing, environmental impact, and durability, it's clear that smart framing is the future of home building. The small investment in materials and time is easily outweighed by the long-term savings and increased comfort for homeowners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share with your friends. Your support means a lot. With YouTube's changing algorithms, it's becoming harder to get videos noticed, so every bit of help counts. Don't forget to subscribe to the Shedever Designs channel, as I'll be putting out more content regularly to help you stay on top of the latest in construction and design. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and remember, this was Edward with you. See you in the next video.